guys, so we're going to show you a quick and easy way to get a cookie stick into your cookie so that you can make like the little things you can hold up in front of your face. And for this instance, it's going to be a rabbit face. So Ashley's going to get her heart cookie and she's going to form it up and put the stick right in the center. She's gonna get her an extra piece of dough, knead it out, and basically just gonna make a little patch. This little patch is gonna go on the back side of the cookie stick and the cookie. And you just kind of put it in there like that. When you're done, you just peel it up off there and put it over here on the tray, and we will show you a finished product after they're baked. And here we have the finished product after they've been baked, so you can pick them up and see that they have that little patch on the back is baked in, and they are pretty sturdy, as Ashley can shake it and show you that it's not going to come off. So that's how you do it, folks. Got any questions, just put them in the comments. And this is your final product after it is decorated, so you have a stick with a little bunny face on it that you can put in front of your mouth and have a great time.